Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khairul Nadira binti Rizwan, along with my friends Muhammad Haji Aiman bin Abdul Halim and then Nadia Natasa binti Zulkifli. And the project that we choose is AlarmClock. The system description for alarm clock is it is an alarm clock or sometimes just an alarm. It's a clock that is designed to alert an individual or group of individuals at a specified time. It is most used sound, some use light or vibration. Uh, alarm clock. This alarm clock has have three push button to set the mode, select the date, time, and OK enter button. And to turn off the sound, a button on the clock is pressed. The input of this alarm will be LCD and the output is buzzer, and we will use DS1302 RTC module to provide the time to show at LCD. The bill of material for our project is we use Arduino Uno, USB cable for power supply, DS1302 real-time clock module, 16 times 2 LCD with I2C module, 3 push buttons, 1 breadboard, 8 male-to-male connecting wires, 9 female-to-male jumper wires, and 1 buzzer. The flowchart for alarm clock is first we need to start, we need to connect the power supply to Arduino, and we need to obtain the current time, and we need to render the alarm on the display according to what time we want to set, and we check is any alarm is triggered, the buzzer is beeping or not. If no, we need to press any key for troubleshooting and check is any key pressed. If no, we need to obtain a new time. If yes, we need to perform a new alarm setup. And we continue is any alarm is triggered. Is if yes, press green button to reset the alarm, and check if any key pressed. If no, we need to press the green button again to reset the alarm. Or if yes, the alarm will stop beeping. The buzzer will stop beeping and continue to set a new alarm. And that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Thank you. This is our simulation at our project. Next, and this is our video. Okay. Firstly, we will push the green button to select what mode to that we want to choose, and then we click the red button to click OK. Then push
Tiga.
the blue button to select the date time to use to set the alarm.
Tiga-tiga.
After you set the alarm, the alarm is beeping. To stop the alarm beeping, push the green button around 5 seconds to start the alarm. That's all from us. Thank
Hmm.
you.